Can't tie me down. A young woman got hired sometime last year in an appliance store. She was sent to the storeroom one day to get some school bag and saw a shadow, as if it was a duppy, guarding the storeroom door. Ever since then, the young woman started to become everyone's punching bag without knowing what was going on. That same night, when she got home from work and went to bed, it was as if something was trying to possess her and she fell into a trance. In the trance, she was sitting in a circle with a group of men head-wrapped, trying to get her to call the name they were trying to possess her with. She woke up out of the trance praying. She went straight to Google after praying, and it turns out that the name the demons wanted her to call was an Indian name. The funny thing was that her managers and boss were Indians, but from different religion. Ever since then, she had no peace at work. Every time she walked, she would get sick, and her head would feel heavy. At one point, she thought she was pregnant until she really started to look into things. The boss would come in and she would immediately start having a faintish feeling. A few days after that, a man entered the store and gave her a warning to leave that workplace. He then instructed her to walk with a garlic in her pocket, but still insisted that she leave.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
He told her that they were trying to tie her down spiritually. She took the advice and got a call from a job offer that she wanted to take, and asked her boss for a day off. She told him that she had a very important meeting that she wanted to attend. Somehow, her boss figured out that she was lying and fired her with immediate effect. But the funny thing is, when she got fired, it's like a big burden had been lifted off her shoulder and she no longer had that tied down feeling.
Check out the playlist below for more.